Meaning of individuate.
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 Individuate. The term individuate refers to the process of becoming an individual or distinct entity, typically through the development of one's personality, sense of self, and identity. This process involves separating oneself from others by recognizing and embracing one's unique qualities, values, and beliefs. The result of individuation is a more complete and authentic expression of oneself, leading to greater self-awareness, confidence, and fulfillment. By identifying and celebrating one's individuality, the individuated person is better able to relate to others and contribute meaningfully to society while staying true to their own values and beliefs.